Introducing the DPL70FL, one of the largest and most popular LED channels manufactured by LED Sconce. It is designed to provide a reliable and efficient method of housing LED strips for up and down lighting applications, such as above kitchen islands and dining room tables. It can also be used to create two-directional wall sconce lights, providing effective wall washing illumination. The DPL70FL is available in two colors: silver and black. Let me show you the two-directional lighting feature this profile offers. The downlighting channel is slightly larger than the top. This allows it to fit two LED strips, effectively doubling the illumination directed downwards from the fixture. It can also take optional light reflectors to increase the brightness. On the other side, the uplighting channel is a little bit smaller. It can only fit one LED strip, which helps control the amount of upward illumination. But it also fits mounting brackets to securely attach the fixture in place. The center cavity of this profile is designed to accommodate various electrical components necessary for powering and controlling the lighting system. You can insert and position the power supplies and controllers within this cavity, to ensure a tidy setup with easy access for maintenance or replacement purposes. It also allows you to run wire to both ends of the strip. Powering a strip from both ends allows you to install twice as much, before visible loss of light occurs. The large size of this profile offers excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to accommodate high-power LED strips such as the King Protea series and Cardinal Flower series, without compromising performance due to overheating. You can install an RGB strip in the top channel for accent lighting, like the Hibiscus series. Moving on to the Opal diffuser, we have 65% light transmission, and it is UV safe for outdoor applications. This is the perfect cover protection for downlights, and it scatters light evenly on the surface. You can see how it easily clicks into the profile, providing a secure fit and ensuring optimal light diffusion. A great feature of the DPL70FL are the optional mirrors that can slot in and out. They increase brightness by up to 20%, saving you electricity. This is how you can do it. Simply slide in the mirrors on both sides of the profile, ensuring they are properly aligned and secured. Remember to remove the protective plastic cover before inserting the mirrors, and check that you are using the right mirrored side of the plate. Now, let's test it again with the mirrors in place. The mirrors increase the light output by 3,700 lumens, giving you a brighter and more evenly distributed light. Made in Europe, with a 5-star rating on our site, you can buy with confidence. We can also cut the DPL70FL to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the DPL70FL. The aluminum end caps are available in silver and black colors, and it also includes small screws to hold them securely in place. For longer runs when lengths of this profile need to be joined, you can use 90-degree connectors for creating corners, and straight connectors for seamless linear connections. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. We also have a short tutorial video showing you how to use it. We offer an adjustable bracket that works with a mounting clip, fitting into the top channel of the profile. This bracket is designed to mount the profile flush with a surface. It can also be used to attach the profile to a hanging kit for suspended installations. Save time on site with pre-built corners. If you're interested in using the DPL70FL for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.